Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on February 14, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column C, second row, we have pair numbers 7 and 2. It can't come these cells. 7 and 2 will come in any one of the cells. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grid, 4 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 6, 8. Fourth row, we have 4, 6, 5. That 3 number can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. First grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row and second row, we have pair numbers 6 and 5. It can't come these cells. 6 and 5 will come in any one of the cells. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column H and column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. In third grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row and column B, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and column J, we have 8. 9th row and 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 2. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 6th grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. We can confirm 1 also here. And column H, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. 5th row and 6th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 5th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 9th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 7, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E and column F, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, 8 is confirmed here. Column F and column G we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. In 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E and 10th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column F and 6th row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column E we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 4, so then 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Tenth row, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 6th row and 4th row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 4th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column F we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.